In this video, I'll show you guys 10 easy ways to make money as a teenager, and don't worry, I won't be going over ways where you just spend 10 hours to complete one survey to make £1 or anything like that. In this video, we'll only go over legit ways to make money. Before we get started with the video, if you're new around here, my name is Jatin and I'm a 22-year-old uni student who loves hustling, and on this channel we talk about money, mindset and everything around that. If you could leave a like, it would mean a lot because it would help me with the YouTube algorithm so that this video could reach to more people. So the first way to make easy money is by using a platform called Study Pool. Now, if you don't know what this platform is, it's basically a platform where you can sell your old homework, your class notes, your study guide, anything which can help students learn. Now, as you can see, I've logged into my account and all you have to do is sell documents, and once they're approved, you can make money. My balance is currently $110 and the top earners on this website is $161,000, which is a lot of money. And it's basically them selling documents which they already have, like study documents especially, and once they upload it, you could make $10 passively every time someone buys it. And the great part is that there are millions of students actively on this website looking for study notes and study stuff, so they're probably going to buy something from you. So you basically upload it, and once it's approved, you just get paid. So once you get paid, you will get a notification saying you have received the money. This platform is not sponsoring my video at all. They're for you to make money. At number 3, selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace. If you're a person who has a lot of things in the house, I personally before used to recommend selling on eBay, but I feel like now Facebook Marketplace is one of the best ways to get rid of a lot of stuff. And I'm telling you, in your house there's probably a lot of stuff, your old stuff, which you can get rid and make money on Facebook. And here's the great part. You could also go on places like Facebook Marketplace again or Gumtree to look for items which people are selling for free, and there's a lot of free stuff which you can go check out and basically resell that on Facebook Marketplace after picking up, maybe polishing it, maybe adding some type of paint to that specific product and just selling off again on Facebook Marketplace for a profit. And so many people do that. At number 4, we have video editing. Now, video editing is a skill which will be highly in demand in the near future because businesses, people are all getting on social media and trying to create content. So if you can edit videos, you can reach out to influencers, you can reach out to businesses, and you can offer your services in order for you to basically edit for them and they will pay you. Number 5, starting a Fiverr gig. Now, I know so many people are like, not this Fiverr gig again. Now hear me out. Yes, it's tough, but the reason why it's tough is because when most people get into Fiverr, they simply copy what other people are doing and they try and think that they should get any orders. Now here's the thing, you're not different in any form of way from other people. So what you need to do, what I'll show you guys is, this is a perfect example of what I mean. This person here, the reason why he has a lot of orders, a lot of reviews, and he can charge high prices because he's different. What most people do is they never put a video of them. So this person here has a video, as you can see. There you go. He's selling himself so well that if I see this gig, I'm gonna go for him because he's showing his face, he's showing his editing skill. So this is, I will do professional video editing for YouTube, right? This person is actually showing his skills within that specific video. That already shows that this guy can edit and he knows what he's talking about. So be different, put your own twist, do something which no one else does within that niche, and you will definitely get orders. At number 6, we have affiliate marketing. Now, I always talk about how good affiliate marketing is because you could sign up with something like Amazon Associates, where you could simply make money by recommending Amazon products to people. So for example, if your friend is about to buy an iPhone from Amazon, you could just tell him that I'm going to send you my affiliate link for that specific same product on Amazon through Amazon Associates, and if you buy through that, I'm going to make some money. So it's basically a win-win situation. You recommend that product, or anyone, you can recommend any products to any of your family members, and when they buy it, you will make a commission out of it. I'm not going to go more in detail on how Amazon Associates work, but you could simply Google or go on a YouTube video, check how Amazon Associates work. And if you want me to make an Amazon Associates video, let me know in the comment sections and I can do that as well. But it's very simple, very nice, very easy to make some quick money. At number 7, we have making digital products on Etsy. Now this is something I recently found out and I was surprised. I was basically looking for a template on a media kit, which is basically for people like me to add all my fees, all my demographics and everything for my brands in order for me to send it directly to businesses who want to do sponsorships with me. And I went on Google to look for templates and I found this Etsy like on Etsy, I know the Etsy platform, but on Etsy so many people sell templates and make a lot of money. So as you can see, this person here, it's selling Gmail email signature templates, and it's got over 540 reviews, which basically means that this person has got around 540 orders. More than that, most people don't leave a review. But if that's the case, then let's do some quick maths. 500 people times by £6.10. This person has made £3,050 for just selling a template, and they made it once, they listed it on Etsy, and every time someone bought it, they didn't have to do anything. Automatically, that template will be sent to that person, and they're basically making passive income, which is so mad. I'm actually eager to try this out because I feel like this is one of the best ways to make passive income, because once you get it right, once you start getting certain orders, and once you make the most in-demand template, like obviously you could look at templates and see what are people actually looking for, because if you just make a random template and upload it, no one's gonna care. At number 8, we have drop servicing. Now, if you guys don't know what drop servicing is, it's basically you using other people's services and providing it to other people for a higher price and keeping the profit. So I'll give you per example. You go on Fiverr and you find a guy to make a logo for £5. There's a business looking for a logo. You're the middleman. You tell the business that I'm going to charge you £15 for that logo, and I'll get you the logo within 24 hours. You go on Fiverr, pay the guy £5, get the logo. You directly send it to the business pays you £15, so you basically make £10 profit. Now again, you could do this with big numbers. You could get it for £5, you could sell it for £50, but ethically, make sure you don't overstretch it. Make sure you keep it within a certain range. Like if it's £5, then don't scam the business by, it's not really scamming, you're kind of drop servicing, but you get what I'm trying to say. Just don't overprice it so much just to take advantage of that business. At number 9, we have drop shipping without Shopify. You must be thinking, yo Chats, what are you talking about? How can you drop ship without Shopify? There's a new method which I recently found, and it's kind of mad still. You basically go on a platform like Etsy and you look for something like handmade jewelry in the UK, right? And you find a product, let's say this product right here, first one, it's selling for £27, and you can see it's got 898 reviews. All you do, take a picture of this, put it on Facebook Marketplace, and when someone orders it from Facebook Marketplace, you order it from here, but you put their address and it goes directly to them. You put it on Facebook Marketplace, obviously for a higher price, for like £50. And when someone buys it, it's mad. Like jewelry is not a good niche because no one wants to buy jewelries for that amount of price. But you could do like handmade candles, handmade something. Like it's crazy how much you could actually do. You might be thinking it's ethically wrong or you're selling other people's product, but that's how dropshipping works. And this is basically free dropshipping. You don't need to use your own money. You basically use other people's money, buy it, and you're making free money for just selling other people's products. And at last, number 10, we have graphic designing. Graphic designing, I'm telling you, it's a great skill, and so many businesses and influencers, again, I'm currently looking for a graphic designer. So there are so many people looking for a graphic designing skill. So if you have a graphic designing skill, if you don't know how to graphic design, learn it from YouTube. You have so many resources to learn on YouTube. Once you know how to make a portfolio, offer to work for free, get a lot of work done, get a lot of reviews from other clients, and just offer your service. And I'm telling you, you will make money. And as a teenager, you have a lot of time, so you can learn graphic designing, video editing, and basically skills where you don't need to invest any money, but you can get jobs and you could get freelance work, which can make you a lot of money. So these were the 10 easy ways to make money as a teenager. Now, if you want to see me make from £100